Hello guys. So in this video, I just want to answer a very common question from everybody. The question is how to be a profitable trader, right? I think so many of you will ask about this question. Like how to be a profitable trader. So guys, the secret I think the secret is a very simple, you know. Firstly, guys, you need to have a calculation proper calculation in all aspect. Yeah guys, if you want to be a profitable trader, you need to have a proper calculation in all aspects. What's the aspects about? Okay, firstly, of course, since you want to be a trader, right? You want to be a trader, not an investor. So you must have a technical analysis. You must have technical analysis because you want to be a trader, right? Trader is not about long-term investing, which is uh, you need to do fundamental analysis, right? Trading is about a very short-term transaction, you know. So you must have technical analysis. So you must have a good calculation in technical analysis. What is that mean? Okay, even you you want to use a very simple technical analysis, you still can be a profitable trader. You know why? Let's say you may use a very basic or very simple trading strategy, which is you want to use indicators like moving average, right? You want to use moving average with combine it with candlestick patterns like doji, engulfing, mother candle, what the white soldier, what else, marubozu, anything, or you want to combine it with chart patterns, which is head and shoulder, double bottom, triple bottom, breakout, right? You still can make money from it. You know why? But the important is you must have a good calculation in your technical analysis, which is about your win rate. You need to know your win rate percentage. Okay, let's say if your win rate is only 50% win rate, 50% 50 percentage win rate, you still can be a profitable trader, right? But how? I think most of you already know how you can be profitable with only that strategy that only have a 50% win rate. Of course, you will say about risk and reward, which is risk management, right? So let's say if your win rate is only 50%, so you must have a good calculation in risk management, which is you must have one, at least your risk and ratio is must be 1:2. Only that you can be a profitable trader with a 50% win rate, right? Even your win rate is only 30%, right? You still can make profit, but you need a good calculation. You need proper calculation in your risk management. If your winner is only 30%, so you need to have at least 1:3. So only that you can make profit. Even your winner is only 20%, you know, 20%, you still can make profit. But your risk reward must at least 1:5. So only that you can still can be a profitable trader, right? So you have proper calculation in technical analysis and risk management, right? So you may search on Google or anywhere else about the table risk and management, uh, or risk and reward table to be a profitable to to make profit, right? So I don't have the table here. I just explain it in a very simple way, in very straightforward, because my English is not very good. My English is not very good. That's why I don't know how to make a content. So you know, only these two, you it's not enough. It's only these two. It's do it's not enough only with these two things. Because why? Let's say you already have your technical analysis, you already have a risk management, you have a good calculation, proper calculation in these two. But if you don't have psychology management, if you don't have proper calculation in psychology management, you can be a profitable trader. This is a very important. Important. You know why? Okay. Now you need to make a calculation with your psychology management. But how? Okay, let's say you your win rate is only 20%, right? Let's say your win rate is only 20%. But if you don't have a good psychology management, you can be a profitable trader. Because why? I give you some example. You need to accept it. When your win rate is only 20%, in 10 trades, you only win 2 trades only and 8 losses, right? So if you don't have a very good psychology management, which is you don't train your emotional, you think you can handle when straight losses. What happen if you face 8 losses straight? First trade you lost, second trade you lost, third trade you lost, until 8 trade straight you lost. I think you will give up. I think you will quit in trading. You know why? Because you don't have a good psychology management. Even 3 straight losses, you will give up. You know, this is a very crucial, very common problems. So, how you want to have a good psychology management? The only way is you need to back testing. You want to get a confidence, and then you need to train your emotional with live account in live trading, in live market. So only that you can train your emotional, you can have a good psychology management. Because why? Because if you trade with a demo account, or small, very small capital that don't give don't give any impacts in your emotional, you won't get a psychology management. you can get a good psychology management. Only you have only you train your emotional in trading, you can get a psychology management. When you are already have a good psychology management, even you losses 10 trades losses streaks, you still relax, you still calm, you still can control your emotional, you still stick in your plan. you know if you don't have your if you don't have a good psychology management, you will ruin your trading plan, and you will not following your trading plan. That's all. This all is the secret, actually. This all is the secret to be a profitable trader. That's why main that's why a professional trader said 10% only. 10% technical analysis, 80% psychology. So that's why every professional traders say this: 10% is about technical analysis, and 80% is about psychology. This is exactly about in trading, you know. So you have this secret. You already know the secret. So after this, you just choose any simple technical analysis, and then sorry, you you make a proper calculation in technical analysis, calculation in risk management, and calculation in psychology management. So if you already have a very good, very proper calculation in all these aspects, so you can be a profitable trader. So this is the secret that uh, not not explained in from any gurus out there. So so that's all, guys. I just want to share to you guys. So I hope you guys give me some subscribes or likes or comments, because